Here one thing I want to say you that again in the in your next second last period means Kritika ma'am's period is there, I think so. So that period also I will take today because will be ma'am is just going to conduct the online Zoom tour or something, that type of thing for the other students. So again that time also I will join. But since I
Ma'am, GK,
yes yes
ma'am, in the GK class.
that is the GK class. I don't know means second class
Ma'am,
which is starting
second
from
period or third period?
uh, to now you are having 5 periods. First is mind period, second
Jagrati ma'am is talking about the second last period.
second last means 12:30 to 1:05. Okay, that period I'm talking about. That time also I will come, I will join and I will
Hello, ma'am.
yes 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 Jagriti.
Ma'am, I am Shreya.
Yes. Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am,
I
it is
just
GK class.
joined because my sister was doing the class.
Oh, I told you na I will start the class from 10:20. After 10:20 only I started the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We can understand that if you are not having that much of device, it's really problematic for you. Now going to the first, we will start from the server. A server is a part of network. It is a machine with massive storage capacities and faster processing, so multiple user can save and use the resources. It shares the data, software and hardware resources on the network. Mostly server we can see from where our connections are coming from if you are using broadband. Okay, now server is actually that is configured like that. It will have a bigger spaced RAM and it will have a bigger storage than the normal PCs whatever we are using in our home. Now why such configuration is needed? Because in the server end there are many things they have to consider. Suppose today they are providing the connection to 100 people. Now 100 people's login details, MAC address and the necessary networking whatever the files they need to store. Now on the next month they got new 500 more subscriber, but it is not possible that today they brought one small computer and next day again one small five small computer they will bring and they will configure it. So that they set up the server so that it can just they can just use it without any kind of hassle. Okay, so and in the server and use the resources means also the server is helping us to means to provide the needs. Okay, so everything that are doing here you can see the server picture also. Okay, next here workstation. Workstation is a high-end microcomputer designed for technical or scientific application. So please underline this: high and microcomputer designed for technical or scientific application. It is intended primarily to be used by one person at a time. They are commonly connected to the local area network and run multi-user operating system. In generally in the office, whatever they are just using, that is we can call as a workstation. Okay, because single user they are not that is not used as a single user or something like that. Okay, and why it is said that microcomputer, I will just explain. Just wait a minute. Microcomputer and normal test PCs does not have much difference. But what is the difference in PC and microcomputer? PC in the word itself, you can see PC means personal computer. Okay, personal computer. Okay, and the microcomputer is exactly like PC. That means what? Here we can say like that. Here one important thing is written. Microcomputer can be used by many users. So user one, user two, user three. How it is getting used? Suppose consider in one office. Suppose consider the Amazon office. Okay, because Amazon is running their office 24 hours a day. Okay, means they are having three shifts, three different shifts they are having. Now here one computer they are having, suppose five computer in certain zone. Okay, computer one, two, three, four, five. Now in the shift one, this computer is used by user one. Okay, in the shift two, this computer is again used by user two, user six, I can say. And in the shift three, this same computer is used by user 11. Means there are different users. The same thing is happening with the other computer also. That is why it is called microcomputer. So to differentiate it from the personal computer, we are just using the term microcomputer. I hope that this is clear, right? Next year, one important thing, yes, yes. Any question?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Network interface card. This NIC nowadays all have seen. At least TV connection you all are having, right? TV connection means nowadays you can see that set-top box. By the set-top box, they are providing the connection, right? In the set-top box, you can see that one particular card type thing is there. Just 1 minute. Here NIC, so we all have seen. Okay, so NIC here we can say like that. We can say, see, we have seen all those cards and all. So this card is actually network interface card. Okay, this card is physically makes the connection between the computer and the network cable. This card typically use an Ethernet connection and available in 10,000, 100 and 1,000, 10 to 10, 100 and 1,000 configuration. So if you want to connect your computer to network, you better get yourself a NIC. But nowadays means I do have a broadband. Also, this NIC is there in the only here, at least NIC is not there using. Rather, they are using kind of a. Hope that you have heard the name. Rather, they are using means what can I say? Rather, they are using fiber connection to connect it. Now in the fiber connection in between the NIC, we can't see like the set-top box. Set-top box sometimes if it is not working, we just take out the NIC, just we are rubbing the all the dust from it and we are just again inserting it, right? But here the configuration has been, I think, set up previously. Since I'm not a person of networking, where I know networking, but how they are configuring it, that thing I don't know. So NIC is there in the device only, because in the fiber connection you will see that a separate device is provided by the internet service provider. So they are just giving that, and I think NIC is embedded over there. Embedded means তার ভিতরেই ওরা কোথাও না কোথাও লাগিয়ে রাখে। So network operating system, this is a software that allows computers to communicate, share files, and hardware devices with another. Some example of network operating system include Novel Network, Microsoft Windows NT, Microsoft Windows 2000, Microsoft Windows XP, Sun, Solaris, Linux, etc. Now, network operating system actually similar like our operating system. Okay. Now, we all are having at least many of us are having computer back at our home. Now, you all tell me how much you know about your computer. If I am going to frankly speaking about myself, I know only 20 to 30%. Rest 70-80% I don't know. Why I don't know? So I am just doing the work in which purpose I should use my computer on that purpose only, right? If I need my web browser only to use, so I will use my web browser only. If I need to need my computer for networking purpose, I will just use that. If someone is needed for their Excel purpose only using the computer, they will use only that, and the rest of the thing we are not interested to know or anything like that. Okay. Next here coming here networking channel. A networking channel refers either to a physical transmission medium such as a wire or a logical connection over a multiplex medium such as a radio channel. Now radio channel where it is used, I'm just giving you one example. You all have just heard the previous few days ago, your is not your our Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos just went to the space for to visit, means like the way we are going to PVR to watch a movie or something like that. So like the same way. Now you all tell me that there how they are communicating to the space center. They were communicating to the space center using the radio waves, because if other communications needed some medium to communicate. Okay, think like sound. Sound is needed what? Sound is needed some medium to transfer, means to
Travel.
transmitted. Okay, to be transmitted. Light doesn't needed medium, but by light we can't hear at least, but radio wave does not need any kind of medium, like the way your our Mongolian work, our Chandrayaan work, how it is working. The radio waves that we are sending from here to there, that is actually going over there, and that is just working finely. Okay, next here networking channel here mostly we are using in the means in the normally we are using some channels that do those having some transmission media. Transmission media means then what? Transmission media means যেটা আমাকে help করছে ইন্টারনেটটা আসতে। Now transmission mediaর মধ্যে here we need to understand few things. Whatever it is written like twisted pair, coaxial cable, these are actually the old version. The world is moving towards wireless technology. Okay, wireless technology means tar chhara, because hassle free, obviously it's hassle free. Many of you are using Bluetooth headphone. You know that you can keep your device around somewhere and you can just sit. If you are feeling like you have to go to take your water bottle, you can easily just take it. Okay, like the same way for the network configuration also. When it is just when it is just wire free, that is the configuration needed a little bit more money, like the way Bluetooth headphone is more costly than the wired headphone, but it's hassle free. Why hassle free? Suppose your phone network, ফোনের কানেকশনটা আসছে কোথাও থেকে, একটা নেটওয়ার্ক থেকে আমরা আমাদের ফোনগুলোকে কানেক্ট করেছি, তাই তো? সেখান থেকে কানেক্ট করার পর আমাদের কাছে সমস্ত কিছু ডেটাগুলো আসছে। Now here the computer network is very costly setup, and that is coming. Somehow the network is only damaged. They can fix it as soon as possible. Now think like our broadband service. Next, now broadband service mostly they are using wired technology. So from there, from the office, from to us, the wires are coming to our house, and we are getting the internet access. Like the way previous year Amphan was there, that time you all have seen, I think, that the entire system was devastated. Why? Not only in the on the server side, the all the wires are getting detached, getting teared, damaged for the this kind of cyclone. Okay, so wired and wireless media can be wired or wireless. Here are some examples. Mostly they are providing that is actually wired technology, twisted pair. Very previously we have used, but nowadays this type of cable that is getting used in the in some office, I should say. Next is coaxial. Coaxial is round insulated wire. Advantages: not susceptible to interference, transmitted fast. Disadvantage is heavy and bulky, needs booster over distance. Fiber optics, this is nowadays we are using, at least in my home connection, that broadband connection has been set up via fiber optics. Okay, fiber optics is taking the lights as a signal. Okay, laser light, it is just taking laser light as the signal. Okay, so I hope that you understood up to this. So going to the next part. Next is modem. Modem, router, and broadcast. Modem are very obsolete nowadays. Okay, router we are using, but modem we are not using. And broadcast is, so no need to read this thing. Broadcast is, here you can see that the distribution of audio and video content to disperse audience throughout the world via any audio or visual mass communication medium, but usually one using radio waves is called broadcasting. For broadcasting, the transmission media like satellites, radio waves, and microwaves are used. Mostly in generally like the way our live sessions are getting just broadcasted. Okay, previously mostly these are getting used, but nowadays everything just using internet to broadcast to anything. Up to this today in this section class I have just covered. Again I will come back on the fourth period. Okay, that time I will just one by one bars topology, ring topology, where it is configured, why it is better, whatever we will just do. Okay, I'm just stopping the share.
Um,
Just